Hi, this video is going to be all about the Roxx modification, what we are doing. So if we talk about the front profile, I'm going to give you a brief what we have done. So basically you can see the front profile. First of all, we're going to talk about the red billets, what we have installed at the front. So if we talk about the bonnet lights, we have given them the Hella. You can see the black magic with a proper clamping. We have given them the bonnet lights, which is going to give you a fabulous throw over the roads where are we going on the highways. So if you talk about the top profile, we have given them the Defender style lights, what you can see on the top. It is going to be complementing with the bonnet as well as the glossy. This Defender lights, you can see it is going to give you a beautiful throw, and it's come with a flashing light, the police light and the regular white light. What you get, three features in this. If we talk about the back profile, we have given them the complete wing light spoiler, which is going to again complement the back profile. Along with that, we have given them the back Wrangler style, the tail lamps and the reflectors, which you can see the fit and finish is going to be all coupler to coupler. There is not going to be any tampering of wires. So guys, inside profile we talk about, we have given them the complete, you can see the heat protection sun film, which is brand from USA. This is Rhine Pro. This is going to give you a air rejection of 97%, and it's going to be a good cooling effect in the vehicle and the best solution for the summers what we have given them. So guys, for the lighting solution, we have given them the complete, you can see the installation has been done for Awesome FLP 4090. These are the 3 inches fog lamps. So this is going to be this is going to give you a beautiful throw on the highways as well as any weather conditions. This is going to be a bifocal lens, which is going to give you a throw up to 150 meters. And the best lighting solution you can go with is the Awesome brand. So guys, this is the all modification what we have done in this White Roxx. So guys, you want to upgrade your Thar Roxx or any kind of modification you want to do, you can come to RS CAR Modifiers and you can see this beautiful beast what we have made it ready, and you can have a glimpse of this video in a short while. Thank you guys for watching the video.